In this video, we're going to go over cutting parts or cutting features out of existing parts or on top of things such as tubing, angle iron, anything of that sort. So this is exactly how we cut the roller balls, the holes for the roller transfer balls on top of your rails. So what I do is I right click new part. I then find the file. It is imperative that you have good file management so you know where your files are located. I then import my part. Now I just want to cut the holes themselves. So I will drag a feature that I will mark out on the part as a 0, 0 point. This right here is my 0, 0 point. I will then take and slide my part over and I will zero my 0, 0 point. I will mark this out on top of the tube and then I will cut it out. From here, I will then go to Edit Contours. I will then highlight all of my holes, right click, move to layer, create a new layer, name it whatever you like, select OK, create an operation. I then choose the tool that I need, and this is correct, 316 steel. I hit OK, and I can see, whoops, I got it on the wrong layer. I can double click, select my holes layer. Looks good, getting better, but I still don't want that obviously in my cut. So I will double click again and I will change this to an inside offset. There we go. So now it's just going to cut my holes itself. So that's all there is to it. File, run, post processor, line your torch perfectly up on the feature that you're going to mark out, 0 your X, 0 your Y, run your program, and you're good to go.